If I lost it all today, no money, no job, no followers, here's the exact plan I'd follow to go from $0 to financial freedom, step by step. This is the ultimate reset fantasy. Imagine waking up broke with just your phone, Wi-Fi access, and a dream. You've got nothing, but also nothing to lose. And what I'm about to show you is exactly what I do to climb back out fast. Stick with me till the end because step 5 is where you go from survival to scaling. Step 1. Rebuild the mindset, not the bank account. The first thing I'd rebuild is my mindset, not my wallet. If you're starting from zero, you need a bulletproof brain. That means no excuses, no entitlement, no comfort zone. I'd tell myself, you're not poor, you're early in the process. That one shift changes everything. I'd spend 1 hour per day consuming free high-value content, YouTube, podcasts, audiobooks, not mindless scrolling. Step 2. Start a service-based side hustle in 48 hours. Forget passive income, that comes later. First, I need fast cash, and that means skills for money. Here's exactly what I do. Pick one skill I can learn in 1 to 2 days, like Canva thumbnails, short video editing, blog writing, or TikTok scripts. Watch 3 tutorials, create 3 samples, DM 100 people per day offering that service for cheap or free at first to build proof. Post gigs on Fiverr, Upwork, Reddit, Facebook groups. One $10 gig turns into $100 in days. One $100 client turns into $1,000 in months. Step 3. Turn the service into a system. Once I have money coming in, I stop trading time for it. Then, I turn that service into a system. That means create templates, hire a cheap virtual assistant or editor, and automate with AI, like ChatGPT, Canva Magic, Pictory, and so on. Honestly, I spend 80% of my time marketing and only 20% actually working. The end goal? Deliver more with less effort. Step 4. Plant evergreen digital seeds. Now I've stabilized, it's time to go digital. So here's what I do. Start a faceless YouTube channel, just like this one, and post 2 videos a week in a high CPM niche. Think finance, AI, or side hustles. I'd use AI tools for both script writing and editing. Next, add affiliate links under every video. Then, repurpose that content to TikTok and Instagram for more traffic. This is where the real passive income kicks in, because the content becomes an asset. Step 5. Stack passive income like Lego bricks. Once I'm consistent, I scale. I'd build multiple passive streams with my new skills and audience, sell digital products like ebooks, Notion templates and guides, create a paid newsletter, and offer a $29 course. Then, build a mini website that ranks on Google, partner with SaaS tools as an affiliate. 1 stream becomes 5, and 5 streams become freedom. Starting from zero isn't easy, but it's not impossible. All you need is skill, strategy, and, honestly, insane consistency. Let's recap the game plan. 1. Rewire your mindset. 2. Trade skills for fast cash. 3. Automate the grind. 4. Go digital. 5. Stack passive bricks. If I can do it from zero, so can you. If this video sparked something in you, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a fire in the comments if you're starting from scratch.